Are you geared up to take control of your life and manifest the abundance and fulfillment you've been dreaming of? Then you are in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the lessons of Neville Goddard and exploring his effective strategies for manifesting wealth, abundance, and prosperity. Whether you're struggling to make ends meet or just seeking to improve your current situation, this video is for you. So, grab a pen and paper and let's get ready to transform your day-to-day mindset and unleash your ability to manifest. Before we dive into today's content, do make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video on our life-enhancing strategies. Now, let's get started. As many folks know, there are numerous techniques provided by Neville Goddard to manifest money. While techniques like ladder climbing and SATs are popular, there are many other techniques recommended by Neville Goddard to manifest wealth and abundance. In this context, the breathing technique is an effective way to manifest anything one can dream of. Neville's teachings emphasize the power of imagination, consciousness, and assumptions. By tapping into the strength of one's imagination, an individual can create the reality they choose. The breathing technique can be used as a tool to focus one's thoughts and harness the energy of creativity. With consistent practice, you can use this technique to achieve the lifestyle you want to live, all with the use of your mind. Part 1. The importance of clarity. Clarity is crucial when it comes to using the breathing technique, or any other manifestation technique for that matter. You must be clear about what you want to manifest in your life, whether it's money, love, or any other goal. Without clarity, your mind will be confused, and you won't be able to take any steps towards achieving your desires in a meaningful manner. The breathing technique requires you to focus on your desires while imagining a specific scene. If you're not clear about what you want, you won't be able to create a vivid and detailed scene in your imagination. The scene you create in your mind's eye needs to be as realistic as possible to trigger your subconscious mind's manifestation powers. Moreover, being clear about your desires will also help you stay focused on your goals. It will keep you motivated to continue with the breathing technique and other manifestation practices. Without clarity, you might lose focus, get distracted, or change your mind about what you want, which can delay or prevent your manifestations. Therefore, clarity is a vital aspect of using the breathing technique, and it's essential to take some time to reflect on what you want to manifest and why you want it. Be specific and clear about your desires, and you will see the power of the breathing technique in action. Part 2. The breathing technique. Now, let's dive into the breathing technique. First, it's important to understand that this technique combines both imagination and breathing. So, you need to first be clear on what you want to manifest. This could be anything from money to love to success in a certain area of your life, or all of the above. Once you have identified your desire, the next step is to write a scene in your mind that plays out your desire coming to fruition. We will be discussing this in more detail later on in the video. Now, let's talk about the breathing aspect of this technique. To do this, you need to find a quiet and comfortable space where you can sit or lie down. Once you're settled, close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Then, take a deep breath in and hold it for a few seconds. As you hold your breath, visualize your desire coming to fruition in the scene you created in your mind. Then, slowly exhale and release any tension or doubts you may have about your ability to manifest your desire. Repeat this breathing exercise for as long as you feel comfortable. Some people can do this for a few minutes, while others prefer doing it for longer durations of time. The key is to focus on your breath and your created scene, and to let any doubts or negative thoughts dissipate without paying any attention to them. By combining the strength of imagination and breathing, you're able to focus into the innovative electricity of your thoughts and push forward your dreams into mental facts. This method is fairly simple and is considered to be enormously effective if done consistently and with clear intention. Part 3. Composing the scene. The next step inside the breathing technique is composing a scene that shores upon your desired outcome. This scene will play within your mind's eye while you are breathing. For example, in case you want to manifest money, create a scene where you engage your senses of touch, sight, and smell of money that you have in your possession. Now, let's say you wish to manifest $10,000. You may visualize a scene in which you get a call name from a member of the family or a close friend who tells you they have come into some money and want to share a percentage with you. In this scene, use your senses and emotions to make the scene as real as possible. Goddard emphasized the significance of feeling as though your desires have already been fulfilled. This includes using your imagination to create vivid mental snapshots of your desired final results and experiencing the feelings associated with that desired outcome. The common thread among the techniques described involve the power of your imagination. By using your imagination to create mental pictures of your desired outcome and feeling as though it has already come to pass, you can manifest the life that you want. Part 4. Consistency is key. Consistency is a crucial aspect when it comes to manifesting what you desire in life. It's not enough to just do the breathing exercise just once or sporadically. You will need to do it regularly and consistently to see the desired results. Incorporating this breathing technique into your daily routine is important. Make it a habit to do every day at a specific time. For example, before you go to bed or first thing in the morning. Consistency is key, and the more you do it, the more powerful it becomes. When you consistently use this technique, you begin to program your subconscious mind to attract what you desire. It's like planting a seed that needs to be watered and taken care of regularly to grow into a beautiful plant. Your desires need to be nurtured consistently to manifest in your life. In conclusion, consistency is the key to manifesting what you want in life using Neville Goddard's breathing technique. Make it a habit to practice the exercise daily. Stay focused on your desired outcome. Be patient and trust the process. Remember that the more you do it, the more powerful it becomes, and the results you seek will manifest in your life in time. As this video comes to an end, do share with us in the comments section your thoughts on this video, and do consider subscribing to our channel as we bring you more manifestation content in the days to come. Thank you for watching.